In order to test this hit character state mechanic, we need to create a separate character to attack against. Let's duplicate the player game object to create that separate game object to attack against. The only issue with that is that when we hit play, we're now controlling two characters at once. Let's fix that by updating how we're controlling the character. Create a new interface class for handling inputs. We only need to define the following getAccess, getKeyDown methods, since those are the only input we're currently using to control the character game object. Next, we need to update the state transition manager script to check for inputs from this new interface class instead of relying directly on the input class. Add a new reference for the new input interface. Then from the rest of the code, whenever we're calling input, we want to replace that with the new input interface that we just created. The run script needs to also be updated the same way. Next, we need to create two input control scripts, one for the player and one for the other character. For the player control script, we want it to respond to input, but for the other character, we don't want it to respond to input. Create a new script for the player controls. Implement the input interface. Update the getAccess method to return input getAccess. Update the getKeyDown method to return the input getKeyDown. That's it for the player controls. Create a new script for the other character controls. Implement the input interface. Here we just want to update the methods so it just returns 0 and false so it doesn't respond to the input. To test, add the player control script to the player game object. And add that dummy control script to the other game object. Now when we hit play, we're only controlling one character. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.